everyone. So let me get to the point. During the live on TikTok, Wanni x Handi, they were live, and definitely Handi was like Wanni had to fat, and it was loud, but they didn't mute. So definitely you're going to listen and watch the full video as they laugh it off. Like seriously, this was hilarious. Like these girls are a vibe. So definitely guys, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the video as when he gets to like pollute the air.
One, if you are a smelling girl for doing that, how am I smelling? Because I did mess for my house for live. I didn't mess on the live. They didn't hear it. They said they hear. They said they hear. They said they heard it. Wanni, God. Oh God, this girl. Oh. They can only be because they didn't mess and she said she's for that. Wanni, why do you always disgrace me, this girl? You guys, they are disgracing. Wanni. And you set me a mess for this life. It was loud. Hey! See, Madam Chelsea, my belly they pay me. Don't worry, Wanni. They go post you for everywhere. Twitter, everywhere, Insta blog. They will. You guys heard it, but guys, it's not smelling, no. No, but okay, let's forget about it. Moving on. Moving on. Guys, it's a lie. It was not anything. I used my ID like this. That's what we did. Forget. That's what we did. Okay. So guys, thank you guys. 1.4 million likes. Oh my, we're stars. God. 4K viewers. We're starring. These people now waiting they like. I saw. Actually, we're period twins. You started today? Yeah, I started today. Oh, okay. We're period twin. Hi. Okay, they should drag now. They should drag now. They should drag. What is our business? I didn't mess very well. But you will not do that again. I didn't know that it was going to sound like that. How did you know it was going to sound like that? You cannot predict the sound of it. Why you not go inside toilets? Because I didn't know it was going to sound. I thought it was just going to be silent. Okay. So as we were saying, and it's different from moving even. Okay, guys. So what song are we feeling right now? Because we played you one of the songs we're feeling right now constantly, guys. That song, I am obsessed with that song.